and welcome back to my kitchen. I'm going to show you how to make a really quick lunch, and it's delicious. It's pizza and it's healthy. So let's get started. The first thing you'll need, 1/3 cup of mozzarella cheese shredded, 1/4 cup of almond flour. You want a dash of garlic powder for taste, and a little bit of Redmond salt, or your salt that you like. I'm just going to kind of blend this with my fingers. They're clean, don't worry. And now we're going to pop this into the microwave for 25 seconds. So I will be right back. All right, so this is what it looks like when it comes out of the microwave, and it's a little bit warm, but what we're going to do is knead it with our hands. So I've got to let it cool a little bit, but you want to kind of form it into a ball with that melted cheese. This is your crust. What's better than a cheese crust? Nothing. So now I've got it where it's a little bit workable. So I'm just kind of mixing it together. And on the side, I have an egg yolk. So now that I've got this blended up well, I'm going to pour this egg yolk into the same bowl. And that's going to help bind this crust together. So you just mix it up. It's a little messy, but oh well. That's what sinks are for, right? Okay, so have a parchment lined pan ready because we're going to bake this. So I've got this nice little ball. And this is not going to be a perfect round pizza. You just press it with your fingers. I mean, if you want perfection, you can get out your rolling pin. I've never done that. I just press until I get it thin enough. And this, to me, is just an ideal lunch portion for someone that's, you know, if you're low carbing or whatever, this is a great option, and it fills that craving I think we all have for pizza. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Press down just a little bit more. Wipe my hands. And the next step, very simple, is we're just going to poke some holes into here. And we'll bake this at 425 for 8 minutes. So it's going right here in the chef menu. Oops, gotta have it on the right setting to get up to 425. So it doesn't take longer than 8 minutes. All right, feast your eyes on this. This is your crust. The pan's hot, so I need to. That's what it looks like. Now, what you want to do is actually flip it over so the flat side is up. And now let's build your pizza. So you can use your favorite marinara sauce. I make homemade a lot of times, but I do like this brand. And of course, if you're watching your carbs, look at the sugar content, because some people do insist on putting sugar in their marinara sauce. So you just want a nice base coverage. And then I'm going to use the pepperoni. I cut it because this was really big slices of pepperoni. So I'll just cut them into little triangles. And you just spread them around your pizza. And if you don't have pepperoni, don't like pepperoni, I mean, you can use anything. You can use shrimp. You could use chicken, Italian sausage. You know, just be creative. That's what's so cool about this little recipe. Now, top with some cheese. And basically you're finished. If you want to be, I'm going to use a little bit of the pizza pasta magic from Paul Prudhomme, just because I want a little bit more flavor. Now, back into your oven for 3 minutes, just till that cheese is melted. Again, 425 for 3 minutes, and then I'll show you the finished product. So here is your personal pepperoni pizza prepared in less than 15 minutes, and it is going to be delicious. Let me just cut it for you so you can see kind of how the crust looks. I usually just cut it into 4 pieces, like that. And I don't know about you, but I'm getting hungry. It's lunchtime. So I just want to thank you for watching. I'll put all the ingredients below if you didn't catch them in the video. And I will see you again.